Hey guys, this is Eddie from WTI. Now, if you're an up-and-coming photographer like I was at one point, maybe you're looking for a very good lens that you can use and that'll be versatile for various situations. Maybe you want to use it for portraits. And if you are, this is the one that I highly recommend. And I was actually recommended this one by a friend at one time. And she was absolutely right. The 50mm by Nikon is perfect for portraits. Now, if you take a quick look at it, you're gonna notice that it shows Nikon AF Nikkor 50mm, and it shows the different specs on it. But what's most important is when you take it out and you use it, you're gonna notice a difference immediately in your quality of pictures. You will absolutely love this lens, especially if you're doing portraits. Highly recommend it. It's worth every penny, and that's my point of view.